Let's review this product. Cien Classic Moisturizing Cream restores the skin's natural elasticity. 48 hours Hydro Care Complex, grapeseed oil and shea butter. 250 ml. I bought it from the Lidl. 48 Hydro Care Complex can be used on both body and face. It recovers the natural elasticity of the skin. So, mura lang ito siya, affordable. So, let's open it. This one is bago, new, kasi sealed pa siya. So, this is the product, 250 ml, made from Germany. So, this one is new. Mayroon akong ginamit na this one. I use this one. So, malapit na siyang maubos. Buksan natin. Ito siya. Ginamit ko na. So, ito siya. So, let's try. Medyo, medyo sticky siya kunti. Yung isa hindi masyado. But 48 hours siya. Yung isa is lang siya. Yung isa yung isa 24 hours, ito siya lang. So ito siya ang result. Usually, ang ginagamit ko na produkto ay Cien from the Lidl. So, ito siya. Maganda sa skin. Your skin looks younger. So, I guarantee this product. Hindi kayo magkamali kung ito ang gagamitin ninyo. So, 48 hours siya. Ganito ang skin mo. Look younger. So, try po. Try ninyo po. Malapit ko na din itong maubos. Malapit ko na din siyang maubos. I guarantee this product, good quality, and your skin looks younger. At saka you can apply also this one in your face if you don't have any other cream, and also in your body.